Yeah, hi, and in today's video we are going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to make money on Facebook. And I'm going to show you exactly the same steps that I took to actually start earning commissions, and I'll show you every step of the way. So make sure that you stay tuned right to the end of the video, and you'll be able to follow the exact steps. Really is the most laziest way that I've actually earned commissions on Facebook. So let's go through and start with step one. Okay, so we've come to step one, and step one obviously is you will need a Facebook account. Now, if you've already got a Facebook account, you've got a Facebook profile, that is awesome, and I'm presuming majority of you have. But don't skip too far ahead on this video, because I'm going to just go through what you exactly need to actually set up on your profile before you proceed. So if you haven't got a Facebook account, then that's the first step you need to do, is go and get one. Obviously, it's totally free to join, and all you need to do is go to facebook.com. All you need to do is go to the create new account button here. And as you can see, it shows you to obviously enter your first name, surname, mobile address or email address, a new password, and your date of birth, whether you're male, female, etc. And then you can hit the sign up button right there. Okay, and that's step one done. Simple as that. So if you've already got an account, let's head over to my Facebook profile, and I'll just go through a couple of bits that you really need to obviously make sure are in place. Okay, so I've come over to my Facebook profile here, and as you can see, I've got a good head and shoulders Facebook profile picture. I've obviously put a cover photo in there as well, which you can obviously update these as and when. But definitely do not just leave this blank, guys, because you're going to be using your Facebook profile possibly to actually drive some traffic to the Facebook group of where you're actually going to make some money. So definitely need to go and take a little bit of time and actually go and set up your profile, fill it all out, and actually get some decent pictures of yourself, because people do business with people. It's as simple as that. So, and especially in the affiliate marketing game, which is obviously what we are in, we are going to be actually using other people's products to actually make commissions. So you haven't got to go and create any products. You haven't got to have any products yourself, anything like that. So this is really, really simple, guys. Okay, so that is the next step. Obviously, step one, if you haven't got an account, go and create an account. And step two, obviously, make sure your profile is looking really good, as in profile images and that sort of thing, and obviously descriptions, that sort of thing, to make it really look as if people want to connect with you. Okay, so after you've done that, the next thing what you need to do is obviously we are going to go and get you to join a Facebook group. Now, obviously, there are thousands of Facebook groups on the Facebook platform, but I'm going to go and show you a group where you can actually go and earn commissions by literally doing absolutely nothing, which is what I've just done recently. I've just joined the group, and obviously I'm proof in the pudding, because I've actually done very, very little and started earning commissions, which I can show you very shortly. So stay tuned. So the next thing is, obviously, I'll put a link in the description below here, and that is a link to the actual Facebook group, and I'll show you where it takes you in just a second, and I'll show you the next step that you need to take. Okay, so once you've hit the actual link below, it will take you to this page. Now, as you can see, this is not a Facebook page. It's what they call a bridge page, which means you actually signing up so that you can actually get your own custom link, so then you can obviously then earn commissions within the Facebook group. So as you can see here, it says here our free Facebook group shows you how you can earn commissions every day. Our team will do all the hard work so that you can start earning daily commissions. So all you have to do, guys, for this is literally pop in your primary email address and then hit the yellow button here, which actually says join the Facebook group. Okay, now this is for anybody really. If you're a total newbie to internet marketing, then obviously this is great, because they even give you some good training that you can go and implement to help you drive traffic back to the group as well. Also, if you're an intermediate and you know your way around the internet, then obviously this is great, because you can obviously just improve your skills And even if you're an advanced marketer, then that is no problem, but you can even increase your skill sets even further with their training, and also earn better commissions because you'll know exactly what to be doing. So that's the third step, is obviously go and click the link below in this video, pop your primary email address in there and hit the join the Facebook group now. Okay, so once you have joined the Facebook group, this is what it will look like. The Facebook group is called Traffic Domination. Okay, and it's currently got 56,500 members, and this is going up dramatically. I only joined a few weeks ago, and it was on about 30,000 members there, so it's nearly doubled in a few short weeks. Okay, so what you need to do is, once you're in the group, but what you want to head for is the units tab here, and then all you need to do is go to unit 1, and this will tell you exactly what you've got to do. Okay, so this will tell you everything, how to use the group and the training. And as you can see here, obviously they've got more units underneath here, all videos, all free, totally legitimately free. You don't pay anything at all, and it will give you a better understanding of how this works, guys. And like I say, this is the most easiest money I've ever made on the internet. It really is. Okay, so once you've done that, you will be set good to go, and then obviously just follow the training in there and you'll know exactly what to do. But basically, once you join the Traffic Domination and the Facebook group as well, you'll join another website which holds all your training as well, so you can get your training from there as well, and that is called OLSP System. So that will automatically join you there. And let's just head over to there now, and I'll show you where you can go and get your link. And this is the only thing you need to do, guys, to earn commissions. It's as simple as that. Okay, and I'll be showing you right next. Okay, so we've come into our OLSP system website here. Okay, and we've landed on the dashboard here. And as you can see, I have made $43. Okay, and I've done absolutely nothing really for that apart from one thing, and that was just to send people a link to join the group, which is basically what I've done in this video. All I've done is just send you the link to go and join the video, and this is your link here, and it's called what they call a mega link. Okay, so what it does, once you send your link out and people join, then what happens is that any product that is promoted or is within the OLSP system, any product at all that someone then goes and buys at a future date, you would then get a commission. Okay, you don't have to sell those products, you don't even have to know anything about those products, anything like that, because everything is linked to you automatically via this what they call mega link. And this is phenomenal, guys. It really is. Like I say, I've only sent 217 unique clicks here, and I've actually only referred, if you scroll down here, you get sign up points. You get 5 sign up points for every person that you send to the group. So I've actually only sent 19 people. Now, do you know 19 people that you could send to the group? If you do, then basically you could start earning money every single day here, guys. You've got weekly trainings as well, and you obviously get the training replays within the OLSP system as well. As you can see, all of these are here, and you can get these even as a free member, guys. You don't have to upgrade, you don't have to do anything. It's not going to cost you a single penny. Every time there's a new training, you will be able to then promote this out to your followers on Facebook or other social networks as well. And obviously get people across to the group. Now, all I've done at the moment to get these 200 clicks is very, very simple. 2 weeks ago, as you can see, 2 months ago, I joined the OLSP system and saw the power of it. But obviously, I was very busy with other things at the moment. So all I've literally done is create this one video, which has actually had 670 views so far. And majority of the people that have come in via this video. So that's all I've gone and done, is gone and done a short video review, and just a little bit like this one, and then gone and posted it out on YouTube and obviously then promoted it around a little bit. So that's all I've done to start getting commissions on autopilot. It really is. I've done absolutely nothing else at all. So guys, if you think you can do these steps, one, can you join Facebook for free? Or if you're already a member, go and then just tidy up your profile. Make sure that is all really looking good. Go and click on a link and put your email address in to go and join a Facebook group. Then go and watch some training videos, which are totally free. And then obviously go and grab your OLSP mega link and then just give it to some other people to come and join the group as well. If you think you can do all that, then you will too be earning some commissions just like this one. And obviously in the new year, this is going to be one of my targets that I'm going to actually focus more on because it is just so easy, guys. It is probably the most laziest commissions I've ever earned. Okay, so all it does now is for you to go and take action, because obviously if you don't take any action at all, you're not actually going to earn anything. This is obviously worldwide, because obviously anybody that's on Facebook can join. So it really is a most unique group, and I've never seen anything like it before. And this is just growing all the time. People are earning commissions every single day. And you could be doing this too. Okay, if you found that useful and interesting, that video, obviously give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit that notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make new videos. Don't forget to check out our other videos here so you can watch them next. And we will see you on the next video.